Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Grow with Saksha, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. So the ones who are new to my channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon beside it so you don't miss my upcoming videos और first notification आपको ही आना चाहिए. So guys, in my previous videos I've shared with you all how you can initiate your BGC documents and how it is important for your onboarding and joining process. So it is mandatory for all the candidates who are going to join TCS to complete their BGC form within time. Okay, everything in detail is mentioned on your offer letter. Okay, but to make sure that you guys are not confused, I am preparing a detailed series for you guys, and step by step I'm sharing the process how you can complete your background verification as well as how you can apply for the NSR card. In my previous two videos I've shared with you how you can initiate your BGC process and complete the written filling of BGC form, and then I've also shared in my next videos how you can apply for the NSR card. The process is very simple for the NSR card. Okay, and you can watch out my video and apply accordingly. So guys, now the next step comes where you have to upload the BGC documents process. Okay, before going further ahead, okay, I wanted to make it sure that there are three types of documents. Okay, set 1, set 2 and set 3 documents. Here we will be excluding the set 3 documents, and also the link for the set 3 documents are not eligible. The set 3 documents are as follows. First one is your NSR card, second one is your medical certificate, and third one is your non-criminal affidavit. For these three documents you will not get the link right now, get only prior 14 days of your joining. Okay, now what you can do, you can upload all the necessary documents, okay, which are basically your mark sheets and other stuff which we're going to discuss further. And meanwhile just save it, don't submit it right away once you upload all the documents, which includes your set 3 documents as well. Now here you need to click on upload BGC documents. It will redirect you to this page. Okay, so once you redirect to this page, here first step you can see, right, NSR ecard, copy of acknowledgement. So guys, here the link will be activated only 15 days prior to your joining date, which I have already told you. Okay, and please note it is mandatory to complete the biometric phase of NSR before your joining. So here it is clearly mentioned that before your joining you have to complete with your biometric phase, okay, which is a phase 1, and phase 2 should be completed before joining. Comes the birth certificate. So here you need to upload your birth certificate. Okay, and if you don't have a birth certificate, you can upload your birth affidavit. There are three categories which they have mentioned here. In case you do not have a birth certificate, or birth certificate is in your regional form, or birth certificate does not have your name mentioned, then you can apply for a birth affidavit, and you have to print it, okay, on ₹100 stamp paper. Next is the address proof. So here you can upload any one document, okay, as your address proof, and here you need to select are the permanent and present address is same. So if yes, you can select yes and provide your permanent address proof and your present address proof. No, then you have to provide the separate two documents for your present address proof and your permanent address proof. In that you can upload your passport, your ration card, Aadhaar card, your LIC policy, and electricity, gas or bills, okay, and your driving license. So these proofs you can upload. Okay, then comes the Aadhaar card, which is mandatory and you have to upload it. So make sure all the details on your Aadhaar card is correct, okay, and updated. Next is your PAN card. You have to upload your PAN card. Passport. So guys, passport is mandatory, as I've already told you. In other companies, if you are joining, that is also mandatory there as well. So what you can do, in case you do not have a passport, you can upload the passport application receipt. Okay, so the ones who have applied, they might have got the passport application receipt, so you can upload that here instead of the passport. Okay, and next come the ID proof. In the ID proof section, you have to upload your either your voter ID, ration card, driving license, bank passbook or PAN card. Any one you can upload here. Okay, so there are multiple options, you can upload anything. Okay, next up comes your mark sheet details. Okay, here you need to upload your 10th grade mark sheet, okay, where the marks are populated. Then you have to upload your 10th certificate, 10th passing certificate. Okay, so for the ICC board, I have to make it sure that they got two mark sheets, right? One your mark sheet where you got the actual marks, and the next one is your passing certificate. So here in the certificate section you have to upload your passing certificate. Meanwhile the CBSE board student got only one mark sheet. Okay, so you can upload the same in the certificate tab as well. Okay. Next comes your graduation mark sheet. Okay, in the graduation mark sheet you can see here a single tab, but here you have to select semester wise semester and upload the semester wise sheets. So you have to select semester 1, then semester 1 mark sheet, then semester 2 mark sheets, until your semester 6 mark sheet you have to upload, and then you have to upload your consolidated mark sheet as well. Okay, so the ones who did not get the 6 semester mark sheets or consolidated mark sheet, so keep it as it is. Okay, upload all the documents you have till now. Okay, and just save it. What you can do later on, once you get the mark sheets, you can upload it at that time, but make sure before joining you have all the documents. Okay, and then comes the graduation degree. So guys, here in this section, please upload your degree certificate or provisional degree certificate. In case your institute has not issued the same, you can upload a course completion certificate. So as I mentioned, right, so these are the alternative documents they have shared with you. So if you have a certificate, you have a degree, okay, you can upload it. If you don't have a degree, you can upload a course completion certificate or a bonafide letter which with percentage and aggregate marks. Next comes the medical certificate. As mentioned by me, medical certificate, NSR ecard and the non-criminal affidavit, the links for these documents will only activated only 15 days prior to your joining date. Meanwhile, you can download the medical certificate and non-criminal affidavit from your next step portal. Okay, just download it. Okay, and don't upload it anywhere, just download it for now. Make all the documents handy, upload once the link is activated. And if you have any other qualification, you can upload it, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Okay, and if you have any additional certification like the technical or foreign language, you can upload it. If you don't have, you can just ignore it. Guys, that's it. That's all the documents you have to upload. It's a very simple form. Okay, and you just need to save it. Don't submit it right now because you don't have all the documents. Okay, and once you submitted all the documents now, once you get all the NSR card and the non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate before your joining, then what the HR will do, HR will review all the documents uploaded by you, okay, in these 3 sections, in all the sections, and they will be approving it. Okay, and they will be rejecting it based on the document status. So if you can see here, document status acceptance, right? So here you will get either approved or either rejected, and the next section you will get the rejection reason. So yeah guys, please upload the documents necessary and apply for the mandatory documents which you don't have currently, because before joining you have to get all these documents handy. Okay, and upload it. So yeah guys, I'll be ending this video right away. If you have any doubt related to anything, please do comments. I will be more than happy to help, or else you can book a one-to-one session with me on topmate.io. okay, and where we can discuss all your queries and try to resolve as much as possible. Thank you so very much. Keep supporting Grow with Sakshi. Bye bye.